Hello everyone, welcome to the third episode of Madhubani Art under What's Your Hobby, in which we'll learn how to draw the basic patterns used in Madhubani painting. So let's dive into the canvas. First of all, we'll learn how to draw some basic patterns of Madhubani art. These patterns will be used in our paintings later. So let's start. So Madhubani pattern always go with two outlines. So let's draw circles here. This is the first pattern. Now let's see the second pattern. Now these will be in the form of V. The third pattern goes like we'll make waves now. Now for the fourth pattern, let me draw it here. We'll introduce the dome shape in this pattern. And now we'll fill the gaps with straight lines. The fifth pattern will look like we'll make lines of equal length. So this becomes our fifth pattern. The sixth pattern will be like draw two lines and then give a gap and again draw two lines. The seventh pattern is an easy one to make. Let me fit it here. make semicircles like this. So this becomes our 7th pattern. Now I don't want to waste much page. That's why I am drawing the 8th pattern here. Now this will be the spiral pattern. So these are some of the basic patterns which are to be used in Madhubani painting. This can be used anywhere in the painting, in animals, in birds, in human clothes, and these carry the symbol of Madhubani art. I hope you have enjoyed watching how to draw the basic patterns for Madhubani painting. Practice them more and more so that you can use them perfectly in your painting. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby. Bye-bye.